Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Imran. I am the I of INH. IA stands for Imran, N stands for Naeem, and H stands for Heather. Today we're going to talk about a project that we're doing on Austin Mini. It's a 1973. So we've done a couple of things, not in fact a couple of things, a lot of things on this. We've brought this car to bare metal and we changed the complete color of the car. We've given it a mirror finish and we have installed all new superficial parts in it, like tires, rims, all the chrome moldings, all the rubber moldings, etc., lights, rear lights, bumpers. So as you can see, what we are trying to do is, if you have an idea of an Austin Mini, it's basically a very simple car, but this one we are trying to make it exactly like the ones used in the Italian Job. So, you know, the customer, the owner of this car is really inspired by that, and for that he's gone to good lengths and he's bought all the parts from UK. He brought them here and we got the car into complete metal, and then we started the base work and then we painted the car. So it is still not very complete, but we've been able to put on all the parts, quite a few parts, like 90% of them, and we're still in the process of putting the parts back into the car. So in a couple of days, you know, proper full days, we should be able to finish the car and the owner should be able to drive it and enjoy the ride. Okay, now I start from, if you have a look, all these rubbers, these linings are brand new. This channel is brand new. The rubber and the moldings for the front screen, even the rear one, are new. The antenna is new. Even the washer nozzles are new. These are new. The wipers are new, but we haven't installed them as yet. If you see, these rubber linings are brand new. These are rubber, what do you call them? The rubber packing for the fenders, extended fenders, and the body are new. If you have a look, the indicators are brand new. The rims, the hubcaps, the tires, the bumpers, the lights, the indicators, the front grille. So everything is brand new, and we are in the process of installing them. Coming to the back side or the rear end of the car, these rubber moldings are brand new. The rear bumper is brand new, even the lights, the hinges, they're all brand new. So we're installing them back on the car. Okay guys, now what we've done into the interior and actually the floor of the car, if you have a peek inside, you'll notice all the floors have actually been redone and repainted. So the whole car, it goes into one color. Okay guys, this is still the process of restoring the car, and we'll upload another video once we're done with all the parts by installing on them, and when the car is ready with all the polish and everything, we'll also send a video of how the car drives. We'll give a review on that as well. Meanwhile, I would also want to show you that the old parts, if you have a look at them, all these parts, few of them are new, few of them are used, like the old parts which will still go into the car, and a lot of the stuff will be new. All these parts have been hand carried from UK all the way to Lahore by the customer. Hopefully you guys will appreciate this video and like it, and we'll keep you posted with newer videos which are of your interest, and we hope that you like the INH process of restoration of cars. Thank you.